Hello, Ni Amuda here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do this color splash effect using PicsArt. Now look at this image here. The face of the lady is grayscale. That is black and white grayscale. Whereas the glasses she's putting on is colored yellow. Then a shirt is of different color altogether, blue. How was this achieved using Pixel app? So let's go. So the app is free. So go to PicsArt. All right, it's free. You can just open it. They're asking me to update it. So this is PicsArt. You're going to click the plus button, and you're going to import the image you want to work with. So right now, this is the image I'll be working with. This is the original image. All right, can you see it? This is the original image. So I'm going to first and foremost go to effect, go to color splash. All right, now you'll be asked which color do you want to pick, or you want to choose, sorry. So I'm clicking here, and let me do something. Starting again. This ad is just disturbing me. Go to color splash. You can see it there. All right, color splash. Then you would use this guy to choose the color you don't want. So I'm going to select blue. I've selected blue. Then you're going to go over to, don't choose sapien, choose grayscale. Okay, then you adjust it like this. Then you adjust this guy too. Right, adjust it like this. All right, okay. Then once you are done with the adjustment, click on the plus button here. Then select the color of the glasses. Right, I've done that. Once you are done, then you adjust it now. Right, come here. Are you seeing that now? So adjust it so that all the yellow in the design is gone, leaving just a little part of it in the glasses. So you make this adjustment like this. Okay, then when you are done, you want to click here. Right, you click on this icon here, the one that looks like an eraser. Right, this icon here, this icon. All right, you click on it. Let me cancel this. Click on it, then you zoom like this. So what you want to do is that you want to add the part of the yellow that is out. So when you touch it like this, just go, let me reduce the size. So you just go ahead and work on it, right, just like that. Right, you have to be careful. All right, with your hands, you're just going to be touching the parts that need that yellow color. All right, so you do that until everything is completed. All right, so in order for you to get it right, so just zoom in like this. Okay, okay, so you see that now. Can you see? Can you see? All right, that is it. So when you're done, just click on this guy here and you click on it again. This is the result. Right, this is the result. You can see this is the original and this is the edited. Don't forget to like this video and come back to my channel for more tutorials like this. My name is Niyamuda and I will see you in another video.